Welcome back with another video. We will see 15 side hustles to make money without degree. There are millions of ways to make money, especially extra money side hustling. If you have the drive and the passion to earn money, you can do it. But sometimes we struggle to figure out what to do that will actually earn us anything. We simply hit a mental wall and our money-making ideas remain out of reach. A side hustle is a way to make money outside of your 9-to-5 job. It allows you to make more money that'll give you the freedom to pursue your passions, buy things you need or want, and lower any financial worries. Truth is, most 9-to-5 jobs don't pay the bills. Especially if you're just starting out in your career. When you calculate the cost of rent, food, bills, and transportation, I'm a huge fan of earning more money, and I think everyone should have a side hustle. Side hustling can allow you to earn that little bit of extra money that can help you achieve your financial goals faster, whether it's paying off student loans or saving for retirement. So, you start a side hustle to make a couple extra $100 or $1,000 a month. Something that can either help you make more money today, tomorrow or 5 years from now. Something that will act as your second income should you face an unexpected job loss. Let's dive into the best side jobs that'll help you make more money while working from home. Here's our list of 15 plus side hustle ideas. My goal today is to show you the best side hustles you can start and why. I have 3 main criteria for side hustles, which I talk about. Earning potential, scheduling, growth. Let's break it. Start a niche blog with Bluehost. Blogging is one of the best side hustle jobs to do from home, or anywhere else in the world. It allows you to build a personal brand while owning your own asset. You can even write about your passions. Starting a blog in a niche that you understand allows you to reach an audience who shares the exact same interest as you. Yoga, business, beauty, and cars are some popular niches for running a part-time blog. You can make money blogging in a few ways, adding affiliate links to your posts or linking to the online store where you sell dropshipping products. How much money can you make trying a side hustle like this? In the beginning, you'll make nothing. But some bloggers who stick it out past the first few years have made enough money to quit their job and do it full-time. But it's not an immediately income-producing opportunity. Starting and growing a blog does take time. Food for thought, this site started on Bluehost and was soon earning over $1,000 per month. It's grown much more since then. We love Bluehost because you can get started for just $2.95 per month with our special code. Rent out your car through Turo. Turo is a car-sharing equivalent to Airbnb and an alternative to traditional car renting companies such as Hertz and Avis. Vehicle owners list their cars with Turo, a company based in San Francisco, and renters can search the available vehicles in their area and rent them for daily prices set by the owners. One of the coolest new ways to build a passive income is to rent out your car. If you have a car that you don't use often, maybe you're in school or work at home, you can rent it out to others. In fact, I have a friend who bought 3 cars just to rent via these services, and he makes back his payment and more each month. These services allow you to list your car for rent on your terms. Find a freelance job on Fiverr. Fiverr is one of the greatest sites in the world. The basic premise was, what would you do for $5? Over the years, they've gradually moved beyond that $5 starting point, but Fiverr remains an interesting buy-button freelance marketplace. There are so many ways to make money online freelancing. If you can read, write, program, make videos, or are open to learning a variety of skills, you can make money freelancing online. You could even do bookkeeping for other businesses online. Some areas that are easy to get started with are online transcription work. Think of all the podcasts that need thins, online virtual assistant services, and even online social media management. The potential is limitless if you are even a little tech savvy or have writing skills. How to start? Proofread anywhere, learn how to get paid to be a professional proofreader. Transcribe anywhere, learn how to transcribe audio and get paid online. Facebook side hustle course, learn how to dominate social media for small businesses. $10,000 VA, learn how to become a high-paid virtual assistant. Bookkeepers, learn how to become a bookkeeper and help businesses with accounting online. Deliver food with Uber Eats. Uber Eats offers on-demand food delivery from local restaurants. Customers choose menu items using the Uber Eats app, then Uber Eats drivers pick up the food and deliver it to the customer. It is similar to Postmates and DoorDash. Log into the app when you want to work, log out when you're done. Right behind ride-sharing is delivering food and groceries. This has become one of the fastest growing trends nationwide, and as such, it's also one of the best side hustles. If you don't like people in your car, but still want to make extra money on your own terms, this is a great way to do it. The only drawbacks are you can't do it all the time, restaurants aren't usually open at 2 a.m., and you may make less than traditional ride-sharing. However, it's still a great way to earn extra money. How to start delivering using the Uber Eats app. Tap the status bar at the bottom of your map screen. Select the settings icon at the bottom of your screen to get to driving preferences. Tap deliveries to turn on Uber Eats. If you accept the terms, you'll start receiving delivery requests. Dog Sit with Rover. Rover.com is an amazing website to connect with dog owners and their sweet animals. If you love dogs or cats, then Rover is definitely a good job to apply for. Rover.com is an excellent company that provides a friendly community of dog sitters, nice dog owners, and a safe environment. How it works. You'll get an app notification when an owner near your home requests a walk. You can also find nearby walks by looking at the Requests tab in the Rover app. If it's a good fit, accept the walk in the app, head to your client's home at the requested time, and get walking. Average Rover.com pet sitter weekly pay in Canada is approximately $1,000, which meets the national average. Grow your online leads with Constant Contact. Constant Contact is an online marketing company established in 1995 that caters mainly to small businesses. Its platform enables business owners to launch and monitor email marketing efforts, build websites and online stores, and utilize social media, among other services. The Constant Contact mobile app can be downloaded through the Apple App Store for iOS devices or the Google Play Store for Android devices. Invest in real estate with Fundraise. Fundraise has been labeled as the first company to successfully crowdfund investment into the real estate market. Fundraise helps locals claim ownership in the development of their city. Its first project and the first ever crowdfunded real estate deal was the development of a claimed DC restaurant and retail store, Makedo. It has grown since then, but its mission of providing people with a simpler, smarter, and more reliable way to invest has remained the same. Today, Fundraise continues to shape the investment industry, creating a new alternative to investing in stocks and bonds. By combining technology with new federal regulations, earn money through online tasks with Inbox Dollar. Making money by doing simple online tasks is now possible with the increase of people seeking assistance through the internet. The tasks that need to be completed are quite varied and include testing websites, data entry and taking online surveys among others. You can even make money by using the Inbox Dollars search toolbar. Inbox Dollars is a cash rewards website that pays its members in exchange for completing online tasks and filling out surveys. The site is geared toward people looking to earn easy cash from home. You won't become rich using Inbox Dollars, but you can earn some legit extra income, without leaving the comfort of your home. Share your browsing history with Nielsen. Nielsen, a leading global information and measurement company, provides market research, insights and data about what people watch, listen to and buy. Nielsen's Watch segment provides media and advertising clients with total audience measurement services across all devices where content, video, audio and text, is consumed. Browsing history. Clearing your browsing history deletes the following: web addresses you visited are removed from the history page. Shortcuts to those pages are removed from the new tab page. Address bar predictions for those websites are no longer shown. Nielsen Audio uses the portable people meter to measure audio listening in 48 major radio markets. Respondents wear a pager-like device that picks up encoded audio signals. In smaller markets, Nielsen still relies on paper diaries with respondents, presumably, including any audio listening on headphones. Deliver takeout with DoorDash. DoorDash, known for its restaurant delivery service, is the latest in a string of startups aiming to bring anything to your door right within hours of ordering it. The company said it is partnering with 7-Eleven to deliver products to DoorDash users beyond its typical restaurant deliveries. DoorDash isn't the only company now working to deliver household items outside. Earn cash back with Rakuten. To earn cash back, you must start shopping at Rakuten and click the link to your favorite store. You know you're earning cash back if you click on a Rakuten link on Rakuten.com, in an email, in the Rakuten app or with our cashback button, and get a confirmation pop-up that cashback at that store is now active. One of these cashback sites is Ebates, now known as Rakuten, and today they're offering double cashback at select travel providers. For example, if you book a Choice Hotels property today by first clicking through Ebates/Rakuten, you'll get 10% cash back in your Ebates account on the reservation amount. Returned or cancelled orders may void cashback and be deducted from your cashback balance, depending on the store's policy. To ensure you receive cashback on exchanged orders, you can instead return the item and place an entirely new order at that store. Just make sure to start your shopping with Rakuten. Easily trade stocks with Robinhood. Stock trading refers to the buying and selling of shares in a particular company. If you own the stock, you own a piece of the company. Stock traders buy and sell stocks to capitalize on daily price fluctuations. These short-term traders are betting that they can make a few bucks in the next minute, hour, day or month, rather than buying stock in a blue-chip company to hold for years or even decades. The goal of stock traders is to capitalize on short-term market events to sell stocks for a profit, or buy stocks at a low. Investors who trade stocks do extensive research, often devoting hours a day to following the market. You can only withdraw cash from your brokerage account. If you want to withdraw more than you have available as cash, you'll need to sell stocks or other investments first. Keep in mind that after you sell stocks, you must wait for the trade to settle before you can withdraw money from a brokerage account. After you sell stock, Robinhood sends your orders to market makers that execute your trades. After that, something known as clearance and settlement occurs. It takes 2 days for the clearinghouse to transfer your stock to you. The catch is they make money on the cash you have in the app that isn't invested by investing it themselves, and they make money from people with Robinhood Gold. Deliver groceries with Instacart. If you're not feeling delivering from restaurants, you can also deliver groceries. Right now, this is a hot trend, as people are looking to have groceries delivered for their families. Instacart is one of the most popular grocery delivery services nationwide. Tools to get started. Sign up with Instacart. Income potential varies by market and driver. Instacart is an app that connects you to customers who need groceries. You use the app to sign on, find orders, then shop and deliver those items to your customers. When you get paid, you can cash out instantly and you can earn even more with tips for great service. As an Instacart shopper, you'll get a payment card from Instacart and use it at the checkout register at every store you shop. New shoppers usually receive their payment card in the mail 5 to 7 business days after completing the sign-up process. Earn from your extra space with Airbnb. Airbnb is an online marketplace that connects people who want to rent out their homes with people who are looking for accommodations in that locale. It currently covers more than 100,000 cities and 220 countries worldwide. The company's name comes from Air Mattress B&B. In Air Bed and Breakfast is a service that lets property owners rent out their spaces to travelers looking for a place to stay. Travelers can rent a space for multiple people to share, a shared space with private rooms, or the entire property for themselves. 13 ways to earn more money with Airbnb. Get familiar with laws in your area. Decide upfront how often you want to host. Be completely honest in your listing. Find your niche in your area. Look at Airbnb's pricing rules, or set your own prices. Keep your calendar current. Have backup for emergencies and when you're out of town. That's it for now. If you liked the video, make sure to subscribe to our channel and don't forget to press that bell icon so you never miss an update from our side. Thank you.